Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick and a simple review about this powerful AI website called Revoicer. Revoicer is a free online text-to-speech tools that generates a voice over quickly. It's a good option for those who need a basic solution without a frills. And here is the key benefit about this platform, which is no cost for introductory text-to-speech conversion, and offer a varieties of voice, language, and accent. Easy to use and navigate with no need to download a software. And here's the pricing plan for this website. Revoicer offers a free few different plan to fit your budget and needs. And here's the list of it, which is a Revoicer Pro, which starts with is $47 to $50 per month, with another plan which is a Revoicer Standard, which start at $67 to $80 per month. Then a Revoicer Agency, which is around $127 to $140 per month, and that's the pricing plan for their plan. And here's the pros and cons about this platform. So talking about the pro, which is the important part of this platform, which is a very intuitive interface with a voice highly expressive, great for creating engaging content, and also provide an excellent customer support. And here's the downside: it can be pricey, lack of advanced customization, and advanced features required a higher type plan. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this. What do you think about this AI website? Thank you.